almost won.
What?
Almost clip out.
You unsubscribed? You unsubscribed?
Yeah.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Fine then, I'm unsubscribing to you.
I'm just kidding now. Still subscribing to your channel. Yes, I got 5 games. Yes, I'm playing Purgatorio. Look, Charlie, I'm playing Purgatorio. Look, Charlie. 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 How old is your auntie and uncle? Charlie. Charlie. Charlie, I'm talking to you.
I already have 3 kills. I got headshots on all my kills.
Wait, who? What are you saying?
Clash Squad ranked. I got all the kill. I pretty much got all the kills. I got headshots on all my kills. I've already done 877 damage.
When was I trying to get to a ride in Botitos? So I'm going out here.
I think we lost this round. Yeah, we're dead.
Why?
Oh, it's just my teammate and he's pretty much not even moving. No one give him the like. It's trash. Yeah. Well, we lost, sadly.
I got one kill in ring. Is he from PCA? Whew. That guy was the best. I'm no joking. They could take me over the ring. It was just like this one, like, yeah, I'm dead. There's people over there. There's people coming here. Holy crap, eh? Now she was just in game one.
God.
Who's wanting you or me?
Oh my god, our teammate. I need some. Come on.
Money?
No.
How much? How much? I need to find this stuff. giác được.
Oh my god, no. Wow, we just lost. That's sad.
Over round.
Pretty much. We only won one round.
Is that what I'm
Pretty much, yeah, if they win. You gotta win this round.
That's why I tell you, that's why you need to go.
I did so terrible.
Well, that guy was moving PC. So I find someone who could play in PC that's faster than with like 2-1 anyway. I think I'm playing by myself.
Oh my god. Why do they have flipping grenades? That's just crap. I'm gonna play another round. At least until I win.
Yeah, guys, you can want to subscribe, remember, to his channel and my channel.
Oh my god, why is there grenades in that smoke? It's the only annoyingest thing. They just have to add grenades. Gotta win this one. Wow, we're floating. So scary.
Yeah, he got it together. You using this go back today. Maybe tomorrow. You know, just go back and look today. Come on, you guys. Probably if you can do it. Oh my god, I'm doing terrible. What about the kills? Please, NCBT. Whoa. Oh, there was go. I'm almost on. I can run this in rank. Imagine a one in rank, Charlie. I just have 4 kills.
Okay, we gotta win this round.
How much? Who's winning? Charlie. Who's winning? Your team or?
It's 1-1. It's a tie.
There's 12 more people.
Darn it. Yeah, let's go, baby.